What's up, everyone? Do me a quick favor and sub to my channel. Click that subscribe button. It really helped me out. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 so I can start making money again, because right now YouTube/Google is taking all the money, and I don't see why they can't share. I only made like $100 every 2 to 3 months off of this channel, but it was fun. It made it interesting and exciting for me, so I'd really appreciate it. If you sub, it doesn't mean you're gonna get messages or anything like that. You can sub and forget about it. Thanks. My car's got just over just under 16,000 miles on it now, if you saw that. 15,800 and something it said. Anyways, I brought it in for an oil change right before it turned 2 years old, because that's how Toyota does it, where you get your free 2 years of service. So it went in at like maybe 14,000 miles, just under 15,000, and then like a month later I turn it on and it wants me to bring it right back, because I'm guessing I hit that 15,000 mark where it's saying maintenance is required. This comes up every single time I turn the car on. It's such a nuisance. So anyways, to turn it off, right now I hit the power button twice without holding the brake, and then hit the backup button. This is all being done right here on this steering wheel, and stroll over to, depending on where you are, like mine's normally here, go to the right to the little gear. This is the settings, and then you might have to go down, might be on the top up here, stroll around until you find vehicle settings. Every time I'm hitting the middle button to go into different settings, and then vehicle settings, scheduled maintenance, hit that middle button again, reset data. Yes, data has been reset. It's told this is going to fix this. Now I'm just going to shut the car off, and then same thing here, just without my foot on the brake. I'm going to double click this and hopefully that message will be gone. Yeah, so that works. That's good, because that was really a nuisance. I'm not going to bring my car in right away for that. I will eventually, but I'm going to wait till its next oil change and think about having it done then, or I might just be getting a different car soon anyway, so I won't even do it. But here's an update on my car. Let me go back to this information thing. Just under 16,000 miles, like I was saying. Right now, for this tank, I'm averaging 38. It's been fairly warm here in Connecticut, so that's definitely brought my average up. I was averaging closer to 34 the last few months, or 33 even, over the winter, so that's good. Other than that, no issues with the car. I haven't really done many videos, I apologize. Nothing really has been going on. Also, YouTube, they're making you have 1,000 subscribers, which is making me crazy. So they don't pay me anymore. Not that I made a lot of money off it, but it was nice to get it. I used to get $100, right around $100 every other month, just from having everyone watch my videos. And then YouTube decided to pull that plug. So I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel, and if I can get to 1,000, I'll definitely pump out a lot more videos, but I hope to still make some nonetheless. Anyways, that was just a quick little video to show you how to get rid of that message if it's saying that your car needs maintenance. I'm guessing this would work on very similar on other Toyota vehicles as well. That's it for now. Have a good one.